Good morning. Imagine the first human footsteps on Mars. A monumental achievement, right? A moment that will redefine our place in the universe. But what if in reaching for the stars, we indirectly destroy the very alien life we're trying to discover? Today, we'll be exploring a controversial concern whether it is ethical to risk contaminating other planets in pursuit of human exploration in space. Before we dive in, we'd like to introduce ourselves.
My name is Riley Becerra.
I'm Reagan Cross.
I'm Matthias Ferrer,
And I'm Michael Winter.
and this is The Great Beyond, a journey through space exploration.
What is space exploration? Space exploration is humanity's scientific and technological efforts to explore alien locations.
What are the solutions to Earth's biggest problems like on our atmosphere? Space exploration leads to scientific discoveries, innovations of technology, and economic benefits, but it also raises questions of ethics. One clear way we could see the benefits of space exploration is through scientific advances made. Sustainable technology like reusable rockets lets us launch more missions and experiments in space, which let us gather more data on Earth, other planets, and asteroids. This gives us better information about things like climate change and natural disasters, which could help us protect our planet. This also connects to planetary and Earth science. A great example is the asteroid 16 Psyche, which is a rare metal-rich asteroid that is thought to be the core of an unformed planet. Studying this asteroid helps us learn how planets develop their layers and what Earth's core might look like, while also showing us resources in space that could help human processes. This also shows how space exploration leads to discoveries that deepen our understanding and overall benefit humanity.
Technology will develop and advance as space exploration is taken on by more engineers and scientists. The 5G standard is becoming a good method of communication between planets. It also drives development in mission-critical control through real-time data processing and robotics. COVID-19 is a good example of a crisis that could cause humans to relocate. This led to explosive growth of technology through information tech solutions and large-scale deployment.
Now, moving on to space ethics. First, planetary protection. Planetary protection isn't about saying no to exploration. Instead, it's guiding us to do it responsibly. Plenty of modern missions already incorporate planetary protection protocols. One example of this is the Europa Clipper, which launched late 2024 to study Jupiter's moon. They use these protocols to avoid contaminating its subsurface ocean with Earth microbes. This demonstrates how we're already acting ethically by proceeding to explore with caution. But of course, no mission is risk-free, so instead of trying to eliminate it, we have to manage it. Next, space stewardship. This is the act of humans monitoring and preserving space and environment. For humans to be good stewards of space, we need to actively explore and monitor celestial bodies. In other words, we can't protect and preserve space if we don't interact with it. Now, critics may argue that the more we visit space, the greater the amount of health risks involved. Although this is true, space travel, like many forms of scientific advancements, has always included risk. But again, what's important is that we manage these risks. Additionally, human health is advancing due to space exploration. In fact, various space missions have led to medical breakthroughs. Lastly, equitable access. Equitable access in space allows fair and just opportunity for all nations. This means that human exploration opens up planets and resources that will benefit all of humanity, not just the spacefaring elite. Therefore, this exploration further benefits the people on Earth.
When it comes to space exploration, there are numerous economic benefits. The primary reason to this is how exploring space creates opportunities for people by offering employment. These opportunities are guaranteed because as humanity's desire to explore space grows, more people are needed to work the jobs that help the cause. Examples of these jobs are things like being an astronaut, aerospace, or engineers, because they all support the achievement of space exploration. This was showcased when NASA published an article showing that they had produced 400,000 new jobs for people working the things that they needed, like engineering, aerospace, mathematicians, and engineers. In conclusion, there are many benefits to exploring space. as it allows various scientific discoveries, economic growths, and new technology that can benefit humanity. As long as we take steps to reduce harm, the benefits outweigh the risks of contamination. Thank you.